Hello witches and wizards, and welcome back. In this video, I am going to be doing something that I have wanted to do for such a long time. I'm going to be playing this Harry Potter GameCube game. I'm going to be playing this game with a little bit of a twist. It's basically just like a concentrated edible or magical food. So I'm going to be trying this. I'm very nervous. This video is completely inspired by Brandy TV. I freaking love her. I love her so much. She has inspired me to do this for such a long time, and I've been so nervous to do it. I kept telling myself that I needed to get the right Harry Potter game, and then, then I would make this video. And then I said, no, I need the right type of magical, edible thing to be able to do this. No, I need this. Well, I finally have all the things. My living room is already mostly set up. I have my GameCube set up. I have lights set up. I think I need to stop talking because it is currently 8:21 p.m. and I'm just now going to take this, and it's going to take 1 to 2 hours to kick in. I got this little cup to measure out some of it. Pokemon cup with, who is this? Meowth? Is that who that is? Let's just pour, how many? Let's try to do math. Oh, I could do a little more. That's plenty. This should be 10 milligrams. It's not very much. And now I'm gonna pour it into here. Are we ready? Ooh! It smells like magic potion. Cheers. Here I go. No turning back. Now I'm just gonna go. Here I go. Oh my god, I can taste it. I wouldn't say this tastes like caramel macchiato. I just put it in some black tea. You wouldn't think that the black tea would like get rid of all the caramel taste. It just tastes like weed. It is time to go set up. I feel like this is gonna hit me like a bus because I haven't done any magical treats in a really long time. Okay, so I had a second camera. It died. I think it has like 7 batteries. All of them were dead. I might record myself this way for a little bit, and then I might move the camera, and then maybe I'll move it back. I don't know. Okay, here I go. Oh. Challenge everything. Let me set this up. What if you didn't hear me? What if you didn't hear me that whole time I was talking? That would have been unfortunate. Oh no, the microphone. The microphone! Please, I lost the little part for you. Please stay right there. Please. What's going on? I missed so much. Okay? I need to move this. I don't want to miss this. A lot's going on. A lot is going on right now. Okay. Are we all settled in? Press start. Okay. Also, if you're wondering, what is going on? This is my iPad so that I can see what my camera's recording. So if you're wondering what that is, that's what it is.
Once you've chosen a team, you'll be guided through a series of house challenges. And if you're successful in these challenges, then your team should have enough skills to compete in the Hogwarts Quidditch Cup. Who knows? We might even win it. Over to you, Wood.
Okay.
No.
Quidditch is easy enough to understand. There are 7 players on each side. 3 of them are called chasers. This ball's called the quaffle. The chasers throw the quaffle to each other and try to get it.
I don't like this.
10 points every time the quaffle goes through one of the hoops.
Okay.
Now, there's another player on each side who's called the keeper. I'm keeper.
Look at his
Gryffindor.
face!
I have to fly around our hoops and stop the other team from scoring. Stand back.
Stand back! Get out of here, Oliver Wood!
A game of Quidditch only ends when the snitch is caught. Any questions? No? Good.
I have so many questions! Oliver!
One other thing before you choose your house, if you win the ticket, you'll be able to choose an international team to support right through the tournament, hopefully to the World Cup final. Okay, so if you'd like to choose your house team, we can start to play Quidditch.
Gryffindor, 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 Gryffindor. Select.
Congratulations on choosing Gryffindor.
Gryffindor.
The first thing you have to do is learn the skills you need to play a game of Quidditch. Now, let's go meet the rest of the team.
I'm learning the skills. I don't know if there's gonna be any learning going on. I don't know about that. Choose a, okay. Tackle and shoot? Seeker? They all want to be picked so bad. Oh, they're locked? Oh, shoot. Okay, I'm
My name's
gonna,
Harry Potter, and I'm the Gryffindor Seeker.
mhm.
I'll show you how to catch the snitch.
I'll show you how to catch the snitch. Did I do good? That was like spot on. Okay, ooh, action button, catch. Okay, I only need 2 buttons. Okay,
A golden snidget has escaped from a snidget reservation, and because I'm a
Snidget?
seeker, I've been asked to catch it. This is a good opportunity to learn about slipstreaming and boosting when playing in a real match. And Madam Hooch is going to help us out.
oh my god. Oh my god.
This is so that it can accumulate enough power to
Press.
boost itself into position and therefore catch the snidget.
Oh, shoot. Oh no.
Use the action button to give yourself a speed.
Oh my god. Ah! Okay, okay. Did I get it?
Brilliant! We've won some new Quidditch cards.
I did it! Okay, so this is like a racing game. Okay, I didn't know that. I'm racing. This is a racing game. Okay.
Brilliant! We've won our first Quidditch card. The more cards we win, the more our team will be able to do.
Okay, just keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
I'm Angelina Johnson, and I'm a Gryffindor chaser.
Okay.
My
We're racing again? Is that what we're doing? Okay. Oh, that's
This
it.
challenge is all about passing the quaffle. Your 3 chasers will be
Okay.
flying in a V-shaped formation, and between each chaser you'll see a magical ring. These rings will cycle between yellow and green. The chasers must pass the quaffle back and forth through the
Excuse
rings
me?
while they are green. Missing a ring or passing the quaffle through a yellow ring will cause that ring to turn red, and a time penalty will be incurred.
What?
Harry here. To pass the quaffle, press the action button. Use the bridge.
Oh my goodness, this is hard. What is going on? What is going on? What am I doing? I don't know. What am I doing?
Excellent! A new Quidditch card.
What? Okay, okay. Oh, yeah. I'm very confused. Is this the whole game? I'm so confused. Please, I want more. That guy wants to be picked. He's like, pick me. I'm right here. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing. They wanted to be, they were going like this. Pick me, pick me. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know. Oh,
This
It was waiting for me again.
One of your chasers and a ghost.
A ghost? Okay.
Is the question. And he's been hanging around the village bench for as long as anyone can remember.
I have a drink water alarm.
He's a pretty good Quidditch player in his day. And he's going to be flying around the pitch with
I'm missing everything. No.
Take the quaffle from him and throw it into one of the goals.
Okay, add some water.
Edgar will, of course,
Press B to shoot.
from gaining the quaffle, but will also try to prevent him from scoring.
I don't.
Harry here, just a quick reminder, press the action button to tackle and the shoot button when you're in range of the goal hoops. Good luck.
What? What am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing. What is going on? I missed all the instructions. All of them. Every last instruction. How do I'm flying. How do I go up? Am I going up? Press A to tackle. What's going on? What do I do? How do I go in? How do I go in there? No! What am I doing? What is this? I don't understand! How? I'm on the first level! What's going on? How do I go faster? How? I wasn't paying enough attention. I was not. No. How? Hello? Did I get it? Did I get it? How do I I don't want to, what's going on? I don't know. How? Okay. I did one. I did one.
So close.
Oh.
Let's try it again.
Oh no, please no. No.
This is a one-on-one challenge between one of your chasers.
Pay attention.
Edgar Clogs is the ghost in question, and he's been hanging around the Quidditch pitch for as long as anyone can remember. Edgar is obviously a pretty good Quidditch player in his day, and he's going to be flying around the pitch with a quaffle, trying to avoid your chaser. The aim of the challenge is to tackle Edgar, take the quaffle from him, and throw it into one of the goals, but will also try to prevent him from scoring.
Oh, what am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing. How am I so good now?
Reminder, press the action button to tackle and the shoot button when you're in range of the goal hoops. Good luck.
Oh my goodness.
Brilliant! We've won some new Quidditch cards.
I did that. Good job. Yes. Yes. It's been 15 minutes and I've played, what, 4 games? Look at me go.
3 house challenges, and you're now ready to play a real Quidditch match.
Okay.
Ready for a match against me?
I'm so confused again.
This is your very own Lee Jordan speaking to you from a loud and lively stadium here at Hogwarts. My good friend and well-known British fan James Finnegan joined me for today's game between Gryffindor and Ravenclaw. Thank you, Lee. I'm looking forward to seeing these two teams fight your shows.
Oh. Oh, okay, so those last things were, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I think I'm getting it. How do I go faster? Oh, you throw it to your, I understand. Okay, is this how you play sports? I don't know. I don't know how to play sports. Am I doing good? Am I doing it? No, I didn't do very good. Okay. Here I go. Oh my god, here I go. Throw it. I don't know where I'm throwing. Throw it, okay. Oh. Quidditch card? What did I do? No! I did! Oh my gosh! I don't know how sports work, but I think I get it now. Ah! She flips it! I'm trying so hard. How? No! Oh! No! Okay. I did it. Okay? Okay? Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. No! That's not where I wanted it to go. There we go. Where am I? Oh, goodness. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. This is tricky. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my. Oh, my God. Ah! Did I get it? Yes, 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 I did it. 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 Oh my goodness. I did it. Cool. Yes. I did it. Okay, cool. Is that it? Is that how you play? I still am confused. Why are you pointing like that? I think I'm done. I think I'm done playing. I think I'm done. It's been like 25 minutes. I think I'm done.